I'm Dr. Chandrakant Shetye, Managing Director, Vision Hospital from Goa. Today I'll be talking to you about the recent advances in cataract surgery. As you all know, for cataract the only treatment is cataract surgery, and there has been lot of advances during the past few years in cataract. In fact, when I joined my post-graduation, we used to do cataract surgery with sutures without putting lens. Then we went to ECC with sutures, then SICS, and now what we are doing is phacoemulsification. vision. So that is the latest procedure which is followed for cataract. Before, when we used to do a cataract surgery, we used to give local block. But now, if you don't want to use the local block, you can go for a topical anesthesia. We just put the paracaine drop and we do the surgery. Now in phacoemulsification, what we do, we make a small incision. The incision size varies from 1.8 mm to 3.2 mm. It depends on the tip of the phaco probe and depends on the machine which we use it. Now the main aim of making small incision is what? When you make a small incision, you make a least damage to the eyeball. Less damage to the eyeball, healing is faster, post-operatively pain is less, post-operative infection rate is less, and even the glasses number which we give, that is the astigmatism number, that is also less. After doing the phaco, we put a foldable lens inside the eyes. Now the lens size is, the optic size is 6 mm, but when you fold, it can go through this small incision around 2.2 mm, and once it goes there, it's open. Now routinely when we put the lens, these are unifocal lenses, so patient distant vision is almost clear and near they have to use glasses. Sometimes they have a distant number if the patient has got pre-existing astigmatism. But there are some people who want, after cataract surgery, they don't want to use glasses. So they can go for a multifocal lens where they will have a distant near vision almost clear. Sometimes some people have a pre-existing high astigmatism. Now if this astigmatism is there, then you have to, after operation, if you do routine monofocal lens, if you put, they have to use glass for distant. But if you put a toric lens, then the distant number almost goes, so his vision is clear. And if some people, they want to use multifocal lens, they can go for a multifocal toric lens. So cataract surgery has come to such a stage that previously after operation people, glasses is a must. Now they can, it is almost like a refractive surgery where they can get rid of the glasses. So advances are happening. Even there is something called a laser cataract surgery is there, where even we use a laser machine. There are different companies' machines and do the phacos. So these are the advances, and still there are many more advances are going to come. Thank you.